Welcome to the Chautauqua Sports Hall of Fame, located at 15 West 3rd Street in Jamestown. Our organization is an all-volunteer, not-for-profit, founded in 1981. Our mission statement is to honor and preserve the sports history of Chautauqua County. We have two main objectives. The first is to provide an exhibition hall in which the sports history of Chautauqua County is preserved and displayed. We occupy 6,000 square feet. We are open Monday to Friday, 12 to 3 with no admission. Visitors will see photographs, awards, apparel, and other sports memorabilia. We have a searchable database and a 1,400-page website. We invite all visitors to stop in the Chautauqua Sports Hall of Fame and learn about the sports history of Chautauqua County.